Mini PCs are devices that combine small form factor PC size with incredible performance for your home office, entertainment, and more. MSI is a brand that is known for mini PCs, and today we have two products from the company that can declutter your office desk. Hey guys, this is Chris from Gadget Voice, and today we have the MSI QB5 10M mini PC and the MSI Pro MP241 monitor for review. The QB5 10M is an energy efficient mini PC that comes with Intel's 10th generation Comet Lake processors. The device is palm sized, measuring just 124 by 124 by 53.7 millimeters and weighing around 550 grams. The overall build quality and design is pretty good. On the front, you get dedicated headphones and microphone jacks, one USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A connector, one USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type C port, an LED indicator that indicates disk activity, and the power button. On the right edge, you get an external power button switch connector. Now this can be used to have an easy access for switching the device on and off if you decide to VESA mount the mini PC to the back of a display like the MSI Pro MP241 monitor. The mini PC also comes with a Kensington lock to secure it in place. On the back of the device, you get multiple ports. Now this includes the HDMI 1.4, 2 USB 2.0, 2 USB 3.2, 1 RJ45 gigabit Ethernet, a DisplayPort 1.2 and the power port. Inside the box, you also get a 65 watt external power brick, an external power switch and the user manuals. The MSI QB5 10M is powered by Intel's 10th generation Core i processors. You can choose from i3, i5 or i7. This particular unit comes with an i5 processor and Intel's UHD 630 graphics. The MSI QB5 10M also supports up to 64 GB of DDR4 memory through its two memory slots. You also get an M.2 slot for an SSD and a 2.5-inch bay for additional storage. The review unit that we received came with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of SSD storage. So let's VESA mount the mini PC onto the monitor. As you can see over here, it's quite simple to do that. We have used the MSI Pro MP241 monitor to do it. The MSI Pro MP241 monitor comes with a 23.8-inch screen size and is quite light. This is a full HD anti-glare office monitor that offers a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. So the quality of online conference calls will be top-notch. It also comes with an aspect ratio of 16:9 and a response time of 5 milliseconds. It also offers a refresh rate of 60 Hz, which is enough for all sorts of productivity jobs. For connectivity, the monitor offers one HDMI 1.4 port and one D-Sub VGA port. It is also tilt adjustable for maximum comfort while working. The monitor also comes with MSI's Display Kit software, which offers a wide range of tools to enhance your productivity. With a flick of a button, in the Display Kit software, you can choose between multiple color modes. This includes gaming, cinema, and eye saver modes. During our review period, we found the performance of the monitor to be good, especially while using productivity applications. Using applications like office productivity tools, coding applications and so on was seamless. The MSI QB5 10M mini PC and the MSI Pro MP241 are a perfect pair for your home, office and entertainment setup. Since the QB5 10M can be VESA mounted behind the Pro MP241 monitor, all that is visible on your desk is the monitor, giving your entire setup a more decluttered look and feel. The MSI QB5 10M mini PC is priced at 2085 dirhams and the MSI Pro MP241 monitor is priced at 441 dirhams. So if you are on a lookout for a PC setup that does not take up too much desk real estate, the MSI QB5 10M mini PC and the MSI Pro MP241 display combo could be the one of the options you could look at. So if you like the video, please like, share and comment below. Subscribe to our channels for more videos and hit the bell icon to get notified about new videos.